What's up, guys? Um, Today I'm gonna show you how to put flash games on your PSP. Alright, to do this you're gonna need a PSP with the system version 2.7, sorry about that, or higher. I'll show you right here. Right, I don't know if you can see right there, it says 3.30, so that's the latest version. Alright, first you're gonna need to find a website with flash games, so let's go right ahead and do that. The website I use is Miniclip. Has a lot of flash games in there that we could easily put on a PSP, depending on the size of it. So just copy that into your address bar and go to that website. It should look like this. A little monkey playing there. Anyways, now that you're in the site, you can see all these flash games. Look at all that list. Alright, so let's find a game just to show you how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna use this one right here. It's called Snowline. Alright, you can see it. Alright, now look at it real close so that you see that when I put it on my PSP it's exactly the same thing. I'm gonna play it. Now look at it. Can make lines and all that stuff. Alright. So anyways. So I'm gonna back to the game main page. So it's here. Alright, that one right there. Or it says miniclip.com. When the game comes up, don't click start. Just leave it there. Go to file. Once you go to file, go to save page as. Now you can change the name to whatever you want and also choose the location. Alright, so click save. Alright, now if you have Firefox, then this little window will pop up. Just remove it and close it. Alright, now you can close this or minimize it in case you want to do it again. So go to your My Documents. You should see now there is a folder with the same name that you selected. In my case I didn't save it, so it's the same name. And also a link with the same name. Just forget about the link, let's focus on the folder. Alright, so go to a folder. What you're looking for in here is a shockwave flash object. You can see, wait, let me look for it somewhere around here. Here it is. Alright, you're looking for that one right there. There could be more than one, but the one you're looking for is the one that says the name of the game, which in my case is Snowline. So just highlight it, just so you don't lose it again like I just did. Click copy. Alright, now you're gonna go to your PSP and go to your USB connection. Make sure that cable is connected and click on USB connection. Alright, now in the window just click open folder to view the files. Now what I do, I like creating a new folder and then name it flash. Oops, flash. There you go. Alright, I like to do this because then I know exactly where I put the game in, so when I'm looking for it in the internet browser on my PSP, you can see right there, it's empty right now, obviously, because I don't have anything. I just open it, and remember that you did a copy. Now paste it here, and there it is. No line shockwave flash object. Oh, you gotta look at the size. I don't think it can be larger than 1 point something megabytes. So, or else your PSP will run out of memory, which means you won't be able to use it. Okay, anyways. Close the USB connection and go to your internet browser. You can disconnect the cable, it doesn't matter. Go to your address bar, and then you're gonna type file column slash. That's always gonna be the first line right there. Next to slash, you're gonna type the folder that the item you're looking for is in. So in my case, remember I made a folder called flash. So in here I'm gonna type flash. Inside that folder I put the game. So I'm gonna put another slash, and then next to the slash I'm gonna put the name of the game. So let me open it to see what the name exactly is. It's right here. Alright, so it's Snowline. You can see it right there. That's the item. You paste it, so your name needs to be the exact team unless you rename it, which you can do. Right now. So you're gonna type in here Snowline. I missed that letter. Let me just put it in there. There you go. Snowline. Now the file extension for Shockwave Flash Object is gonna be SWF. Now remember that, because for every game you put, you need to put that extension next to it. So you just put a dot and then SWF. Alright, if you're doing the same game as I am, you should have the same exact thing as I'm showing you right now. So when you have that done with the name that you selected, just click start or enter, then click yes, and there we go. The game is loading right now. It's gonna be slower than the normal internet browser, of course. Every flash game on the PSP runs a little bit slow, but it's not that bad. Alright, so you just wait. Okay, something about to come up. So what you're seeing right now is the same thing that I showed you in the browser, in my computer. If you remember, I'll show you it again. Look at it. Nice, eh? Alright. And here you can just play it. Alright. And then just, it's a little bit laggy, like all Flash games, but it's pretty good. You can see it's the same thing. Alright guys, so that is how you put a flash game on your PSP.